Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wow. So I can't hear you, Chitra. Good morning, Sakshi.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Great. So, how was your day yesterday? How was the exercise yesterday?
Mm. Ma'am, I didn't do the exercise yesterday actually. Sorry, ma'am. Yesterday I didn't do.
Okay. Anybody else who wants to share anything about the exercise?
मैंने ना बहुत सोचा क्या गलती किया और समझ ही नहीं आया क्या किस चीज पे मतलब ऑनेस्टली मैंने बहुत सोचा कल मेरे को एंड में समझ नहीं आया कि किस चीज पे अपोलोजाइज बोल रहे सॉरी ग्रैटिट्यूड दे एंड देन आई वाज लाइक ठीक है टाइम लिमिट तो है नहीं थोड़ा और सोचते हैं एंड देन कल करते बट जेन्युइनली हम कंफ्यूज हो गए आई डोंट नो व्हाई
No,
Even I
no,
got
which is fine.
confused yesterday. Ma'am, even I got confused. I'll do it today. Even I was not able to do it yesterday.
Right. So, Chitra, were you able to do it?
Yeah, I did it, but I did not do it for too many mistakes. I picked up one, which was a continuation of yesterday. So, I mean, jo kal tha. And I think you can see today that I'm far better.
Yes,
So,
much,
that,
much. I can see it. Your face speaks so much. I know how to read your face now, actually.
so yeah. So, I mean, to be very frank, may not have been like very specific as realizing as a mistake. But what I told myself is that taking cues from yesterday. So, mujhe jo kal laga was that I was trying to say something, but I was not putting it across that way. तो मुझे कल बहुत वो महसूस हुआ कि कहना कुछ था और फाइनली आई एंडेड अप सेइंग समथिंग एंड दिस समवेयर आई फाउंड दैट विद अदर्स आल्सो समटाइम्स दे फील सो कि मतलब अरे आई डिडंट नो यू वर टेलिंग दिस और यू नो दैट कई बार लगता था कि व्हाट आई एम सेइंग वाज नॉट so I would think that I was thinking something in the mind, but when I was telling, it was not coming across in that manner. Yesterday I picked that up because it was quite immediately with what happened yesterday. Because after the session I kept telling, but ये मैं नहीं बोलना चाह रही थी, मैं कुछ और बोलना कहने सोच रही थी और क्यों ऐसा इंटरप्रेट हो गया, you know? So मुझे कल वो बहुत हुआ था. So and I realized that couple of times that was what was happening with people around me. They were interpreting what I was saying differently. And not too much rationalization. कल तो मैंने rationalization नहीं किया, but पहले it used to be that people would tend to think the tone in which I'm saying or the manner choice of words that I'm using makes it a little more harsh than what I was wanting to say, or makes it a little more curt than what I was wanting to say. So कल मैंने उसको पकड़ा, saying that let me look at this because I was feeling very uncomfortable. कि मतलब क्या यार something else कहीं और पहुंच गया. So I picked up that and I gave a lot of gratitude for that. And the first gratitude came with the fact that I gave gratitude for that having come out yesterday. कि मतलब this is an opportunity. This has come to me for me to learn from it. So you know, नहीं तो मतलब वो नहीं मालूम होता तो शायद मैं उस पर काम नहीं करती. So I gave a lot of gratitude to it, and within minutes it shifted. So
Okay.
I felt there was a lot of shift, and I continued to give gratitude. And again, I went back to the health, and I told myself, ठीक है, in my mind I thought, but it was interpreted so. So which means कहीं ना कहीं कमी रह गई. So again, I kept giving gratitude yesterday for the ambulance, for the CT scan, and all that. I kept giving a lot of it, and then I was
So,
completely out of that.
I want to add something here. Very nice. One very, very nice, Chitra. But I think what happened is कि आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड कुछ और सोच रहा होता है. ठीक है. तो when you are otherwise you are very very good in communication, means whatever I've seen you in the last so many days, I think you should be writing books and all of that stuff. You can do that very beautifully. राइट. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, वो जो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में कुछ होता है ना, वो बीच में एक दो वर्ड्स आपके सेंटेंस में फिट कर देता है.
Correct. Correct.
ठीक है. तो बाकी तो सब आप सोच के मीनिंगफुली बोल रहे होते हो, बट वो जो एक दो वर्ड्स फिट हो जाते हैं सेंटेंस में,
Correct.
उसकी वजह से सामने वाले का पूरा वो चेंज हो जाता है.
Correct. Absolutely. Absolutely.
So very nice that you thought about it, because तभी आपको ना मूवमेंट और कहाँ करना है वो समझ आएगा.
Yeah, that's why I said the first gratitude was for the session yesterday, because वहीं पर मुझे like, because I was so uncomfortable after that session.
हाँ,
Which was something I did.
नहीं, also I was thinking somebody can let it go, but you know, you kept trying to communicate the right thing till the end.
Yes, yes.
It took 3-4 times, but finally every time it used to come, no, I did not want to say this.
Yeah, I know.
So, but
That's what I'm saying. So anyway, so then I.
very
did
nice,
on that.
very nice.
So then-
Yes. Perfect, है जी. Done.
Yes.
So, good morning, Nishant.
Good morning, ma'am.
Are you ready to read today?
Yeah, yes.
Good. I like hearing yeah now. It's much better than the beginning when it used to be so much else than yeah.
I didn't have any option, so let's go with it.
I know. So that's always a good option. Just go with it, Wala. Can you see my screen? No.
No.
Okay. Yes, now you can see my screen, and the chapter we are going to read today is,
Magic mirror.
yes, the magic mirror. Okay. Yes. Yes, Nishant, we can start.
The appearance of the chapter 27, the magic mirror. The appearance of things changes according to the emotions, and thus we see magic and beauty in them, while the magic and beauty are really in ourselves. Kahil Gibran, poet and artist. You can spend the rest of your life running around trying to beat the outside world into the shape you want, chasing one problem after another, trying to fix them, complaining about situations or other people, and never succeed in living your life to the fullest and realizing all of your dreams. But when you make the magic of gratitude your way of life, everything in the world around you magically changes. Just like that. Oh. Your world magically changes because you changed. So what you are attracting changed too. In the inspirational words of Gandhi and in the lyrics of Michael Jackson's song Man in the Mirror, which impacted hundreds of millions, one of the most powerful messages of all time was delivered. Change the person in the mirror and your world will change.
This is so beautiful, isn't it?
Yes.
Just imagine doing this. And you will actually feel कि आपकी पूरी बॉडी लैंग्वेज, आपकी स्माइल की इंटेंसिटी, आपकी स्माइल की क्वालिटी, सब कुछ चेंज हो जाता है.
If you have followed the 26 magical practices to this point, you have changed. And even though it is sometimes hard to see the changes in yourself, you will have felt the change in your happiness, and you will have seen the changes of improved circumstances in your life, and the magical changes in the world around you. You have practiced the magical power of gratitude for your family and friends, for your work, money, and health, for your dreams, and even for the people you come across each day. But the person who deserves your gratitude more than anyone else is you. When you are grateful to be the person in the mirror, feeling of dissatisfaction, discontentment, disappointment, or I am not good enough completely disappear. And with them, every dissatisfying, discontenting, and disappointing circumstances in your life magically disappears too. Negative feelings
Yes.
about yourself cause the greatest damage to your life because they are more powerful than any feeling you have about anything or anyone else. Wherever you go and whatever you do to take those negative feelings with you in every moment, and those feelings taint everything you touch, and they act as a magnet, attracting more dissatisfaction, discontentment, and disappointment with everything you do. When you are grateful to be you, you will only attract circumstances that make you feel even better about yourself. You have to be rich with good feelings about yourself, bring the riches of life to you. Gratitude for yourself enriches you. Whoever has gratitude for themselves will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude for themselves, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her. Do the magic mirror practice. Go to a mirror right now. Look directly at that person in the mirror and out loud say the magic words, "Thank you," with all your heart. Mean it more than you ever have before. Say thank you for being you. Say thank you for everything that you are. Say thank you with at least the same amount of feeling you have used for everything and everyone else. Be grateful for you just as you are. Continue with the magic mirror practice by being grateful to that beautiful person in the mirror for the rest of the day today. And say the magic words, "Thank you," every time you look at yourself in a mirror. If you are not in a position to say the magic words out loud at any particular time, then you can say them in your mind. And if you are really brave, you can look in the mirror, you can look in the magic mirror and say 3 things about yourself that you are grateful for. If for any reason in the future you are not being kind to yourself, you will know to give to the one person who deserves your gratitude more than anyone else, the person in the mirror. When you are grateful, you don't blame yourself when you make a mistake. When you are grateful, you don't criticize yourself when you are not perfect. When you are grateful for being you, you are happy, and you will become a magnet to happy people, happy situations, and magical circumstances which will surround you wherever you go and in whatever you do. When you can see the magic in that person in the mirror, your whole world will change. Magic practice number 27, the magic mirror.
So are you guys
Number
ready
one.
to see the magic today?
Yes.
Magic in the person in the mirror.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
very, very good. Yes. Yes, Nishant.
Number 1, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Number 2, each time you look at yourself in the mirror, yourself in a mirror today, say thank you and mean it more than you ever have before. If you are really brave, while looking in the mirror, say 3 things you are grateful for about yourself. Number 4, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, "Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day."
Thank you, Nishant, for reading this beautiful, beautiful chapter for us. And So how many of us actually look at the mirror more than 3 times in a day?
उससे बहुत ज्यादा.
Okay, no ways. So a lot of us will need to practice today to look in the mirror, you know, for more than 3 times in a day. परफेक्ट है जी. एंड कौन लोग रेडी हैं अपने बारे में बोल्डली कुछ कहने के लिए, आज गपशप मारने के लिए अपने आप से? यस, सो दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एक्सरसाइज. एंड जैसे जैसे हम एंड तक आते हैं ना इस बुक के, इट जस्ट बिकम्स स्वीटर एंड डीपर एंड मच नाइसर. तो व्हाट आई विल सजेस्ट इज start doing this exercise as soon in the day as you can. क्योंकि जितना ज्यादा टाइम आप इस फीलिंग के साथ रहोगे उतना ज्यादा आप चेंज अपने में देखोगे. ठीक है. सो मे बी इमीडिएटली आफ्टर दिस क्लास, you know, you can just do it the first time before you get into your daily routines. Right? Anybody who has any questions? No. Perfect. So then let's sing our beautiful lines and then we can end the session. Right. So we all can unmute ourselves. Yeah. This little light of mine.
This little light of mine.
Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. This little light of mine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. This little light of mine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Thank you. Have a wonderful, wonderful Saturday and keep talking to yourself in the mirror today.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Yes,
you.
amazing.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.